Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you Ko-Fi review. How does it work? Ko-Fi is a versatile platform designed for creators to receive direct support from their audience. You can set up a profile, connect your PayPal or Stripe account, and share your Ko-Fi link so fans can send one-time tips, subscribe to membership tiers, commission custom work, or purchase items from your shop. Payments go directly to your account, giving you faster access and full control over your funds. The platform offers low fees. Ko-Fi takes only up to 5% plus standard payment processor. Quick setup, flexible usage, and support for multiple income streams without forcing monthly subscriptions. It's a legitimate, user friendly tool, ideal for creators with an existing audience, helping convert support into income efficiently. However, if you expect discoverability, advanced commerce tools, or heavy shipping management, you may need additional platform. Overall, Ko-Fi is a solid option for flexible monetization with minimal overhead. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.